a reference librarian. All through the month of January, we will be previewing recent educational books as a part of National Hobby Month. A lot of us have work to do around the house, so why not try DIY home improvement as your next hobby? Do-it-yourself basics. Save money, solve problems, improve your home. The basics everyone can master by Reader's Digest. According to Reader's Digest, are you curious about what it takes to become a confident do-it-yourselfer? As with many other skills, DIY home improvement proficiency starts with a willingness to try new things and follow directions. You'll learn as you go, develop your problem-solving skills, and tackle bigger and bigger projects. Reader's Digest Easy Fixes for Everyday Things. 1020 Ways to Repair Your Stuff by Reader's Digest. According to the publisher, this book presents more than 1,000 solutions and repairs for such items as household appliances, electronic equipment, doors and windows, clothing, jewelry, bicycles, cars, and garden tools. Most requested projects by Family Handyman. According to Home Service Publications Incorporated, give the people what they want. This collection of projects from Family Handyman includes those that made our most popular list, the ones that people have asked for, searched for, and looked at more than any others, including sheds, organizing, kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and more. This is the first time we've gathered our top shed, kitchen remodel, garage storage system, bathroom makeover, bookcase, patio, countertop upgrades, and much more into an anthology. These DIY favorites are sure to please any and all DIYers. You can check out all of these nonfiction books about do-it-yourself home improvement and domestic repairs and titles similar to these by visiting the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library today. Thanks.